Hello, my name is Curtis Street, and I am an independent scientific researcher in environmental science and extraterrestrial technology, and a teacher of self-evident absolute truths on how to achieve a universal conscience. On universal conscience, the first conscience is spelled C-O-N-S-C-I-O-U-S, and the second conscience is spelled C-O-N-S-C-I-E-N-C-E. I'm going to be presenting a logical argument refuting the theory of evolution, and the topic to this logical argument is called the collapse and end to the theory of evolution and the beginning of a new alternative biological science called the origin of fixed biological reproductive species by means of design by a dimensional or non-dimensional species. I'm going to start this with the same true or false question that would be asked to the theory of evolution advocates. The first true or false question is as follows. Genetic mutations are harmful to a biological reproductive species. The answer to this true or false question is true. And the empirical evidence to back it up is the It's the observation of a two-headed snake, one-eyed kitten, and Down syndrome due to mutations is a clear example that mutations are not good. Now I am going to ask the same true or false question to the theory of evolution advocates again. Question 2. Genetic mutations are harmful to a biological reproductive species. The answer to this true or false question is false. Empirical evidence to back this up is genetic mutations are the driving force behind the theory of evolution, and this is why we have biodiversity on planet Earth. This genetic mutation would be considered as a good mutation. The theory of evolution asserts and denies the same thing when it comes to genetic mutations for question 1 and question 2. Question 1. Genetic mutations are harmful to a biological reproductive species. Answer is true. Question 2. Genetic mutations are harmful to a biological reproductive species. The same question, but this time the answer is false. I am now going to address two special notes. First note. Essentially, a proposition is contradictory when it asserts and denies the same things. The theory of evolution asserts and denies the same thing by answering true and false to the same two questions. To the same two questions, and this is why the theory of evolution violates the universal law of non-contradiction. Both answers must be true or false for question 1 and question number 2. And my second note is nature does not contradict itself, and neither should the information used by scientific researchers and scientists when it comes to explaining how nature works. I want to thank y'all for being with me on this logical argument against the theory of evolution, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.